So the microcontroller with the Risc-V core sends commands to our power controller units, and that's how for this demo it's able to drive our drone. The E31 contains the Risc-V instruction set architecture, 64 kilobytes of data type integrated memory, or DTIM, 16 kilobytes of instruction cache, 8 region physical memory protection, Risc-V core local interrupter, platform level interrupt controller, and in order variable pipeline. The FE310 contains a E31 based coreplex, and you can see on this top level block diagram the different regions of the FE310. Here's a demo of how the Hi-Fi 1 communicates to my drone, and this is done demonstrating that this motor will communicate once I instruct it to do so. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, and that was all.